Hello everyone, I just wanted to make a quick video about a section of installing the Weber Master Touch grill. The part that I'm referring to, it's this one right here that comes with it. These grills usually come with a charcoal basket, and in the description of the item, which I got from Best Buy, says it comes with it. To my surprise, it did not come with those. Instead, what they come with is this charcoal holder that apparently used to be the ones that they would send in back in the day. So for a while they were sent in the baskets, and then they switched back to these. I wanted to make the video because it's not intuitive how to put it together. If you look at the manual, it just tells you that the different grades go in that order, but if you look at these, it doesn't tell you what to do with them. So I'm hoping that I'll save you a heartache and pain with this. Basically, what you do is you put it wherever you want to hold the charcoal. You can move it back or forth. So you put it this way, and then it should be 3 bars in front of it so that it snaps in place, like so. If you don't count the 3 bars, it'll just sit there and it'll fall. So the idea is that you can put then the charcoal back here and create your heat zone. It has 2 of them. That's how you install them. If you prefer the baskets, they sell them. So I made this video just to save you the trouble. I hope it helps.